A new way to get to space is presented by the American startup SpinLaunch. The concept is based on a vacuum-sealed centrifuge, thanks to which the rocket rotates at several times the speed of sound. According to the CEO of the team, this method is radically different from others and allows to launch satellites weighing up to 440 pounds. The engineers say that, after finishing all modifications, the launch will be almost 10 times cheaper than usual methods, and will also allow the use of 4 times less fuel, which will increase the payload. In 2025, they expect fully-fledged commercial launches of both special separable projectiles and launch vehicles. The developers of this transforming venue offer to combine art and business in one space. Thanks to state-of-the-art technology, the system turns a concert hall into an exhibition hall in 10 to 30 minutes with just the push of a button. The system was created by a Canadian company. It offers a huge number of configurations: an auditorium, a concert hall, an exhibition center, or even a cabaret. One of the coolest features is the spiral lift technology. It is a modular solution suitable for almost any building. In addition, it's powered by electric motors, which means that it's both economical and environmentally friendly. At the same time, the system is compatible with seats by different manufacturers, which further reduces installation costs. Virtual reality keeps advancing. Following goggles, gloves, boots, and other similar gadgets, this kind of device is also being created. According to this team from New Zealand, this platform will completely revolutionize the VR industry. Currently, the platform is a sphere about 6 feet in diameter, which rotates freely and allows you to experience sound, visual, and physical effects as close to the real thing as possible. The 3 supports are equipped with wheels fitted with individual drives, which allows the sphere to rotate 180 degrees per second. The platform can be used for entertainment or training pilots, rescuers, or drivers. This is the next big step in simulators, the team says. This welder is designed to work with acrylic fabrics, PVC fabrics, and other similar materials. The speed is up to 98 feet per minute, and you don't need to preheat the material. The machine offers many options: overlap welding, 3D welding, butt joint, circular welding, piping welding, and welding with tape, and many other applications. The manufacturer points out that the temperature exposure is produced precisely in the seam area, which reduces the risk of damage to the surrounding material. In addition, the machine is able to reach the target temperature in less than a second, and direct voltage supply to the wedge ensures low energy consumption. Let's see another impressive product from the US, a Bionic hand. It features sensory feedback. Simply put, the wearer can feel the touch. The hand is also capable of transmitting the intensity of contact. For example, the owner will be able to understand how firm a handshake was. This is possible thanks to special sensors on the fingertips. The device weighs just over a pound, which is less than the weight of a human hand. All fingers can bend and unbend, and 32 grip options are provided. The hand is also resistant to water and blunt force impacts. For more precise settings, you can connect the hand via Bluetooth directly to your smartphone. And if your smartphone runs out of battery, you can charge it directly from the hand via a USB Type-C cable. The hand itself needs to be charged for about an hour, and a full battery is enough for 24 hours. The key feature of this cycling jacket is protection against injury. If the wearer starts falling, the jacket activates the airbag in 0.08 seconds. It's inflated by a CO2 cartridge and protects 4 areas at once: the neck, back, abdomen, and chest. Special rainbow impact fabric shimmers and reflects light, improving visibility in the dark. The jacket is being developed by a team from France, and it started for a reason. Back in 2020, there was 67% more traffic on Parisian cycle lanes alone. According to the team, the jacket analyzes the situation 100 times per second in fully automatic mode. For reliability, 2 sensors are used. one on the jacket and one on the bike. The battery built into the jacket will last about 25 hours. Plants can't speak up when they're thirsty, explain the creators of this sensor system. They are attached to the leaves of the plants and allow you to determine exactly how much water is in the leaves. Similar inventions already exist, but it was difficult to attach them to different leaf positions. However, these sensors have several advantages at once. They are so compact and lightweight that they can be attached with ordinary adhesive tape, and through machine learning, it was possible to convert the data into an equation that allowed to estimate the dynamics of water content at different temperatures. The team notes that visual signs of lack of water, such as shriveling or darkening, often don't show up until it's too late to do anything about it. So, this solution will go a long way toward keeping the watering situation under control and making adequate decisions. The world's most trusted industrial safety barriers, the manufacturer claims in its presentation. The main feature of the barriers is the material. Instead of steel, a special polymer is used. This approach allows solving several problems at once. Impact energy does not damage the floor, no need to paint the barriers and they do not corrode, and they need to be replaced less frequently. At the same time, the barriers are very durable. They can withstand an impact of a vehicle weighing up to 5 tons and moving at 6.5 miles per hour. In different tests, the barrier only bent 15 inches under such a load. The customers are clearly satisfied. The manufacturer worked with such giants as BMW, DHL, IKEA, and Coca-Cola. You love to play tennis, but don't always have a partner to practice your serves with. It's 2022, and even a bag can serve you a ball. This one is so successful that even Forbes and Bloomberg wrote about it. This device's sales went up 349% in the first quarter of the fiscal year of 2021. So, what makes this bag so great? Firstly, at 33 pounds, it's quite light. Thanks to the wheels, it can be as easy to carry as a normal suitcase. Secondly, it is versatile. There's enough space not only for game equipment, but also for 144 balls. And thirdly, it's easy to adjust the speed, height, and frequency of the balls, even if you're not very tech-savvy. Let's go to France again, or to be more precise, to Paris. That is where they launched the Emergency Bikes project, which is an ambulance bike. According to statistics, Paris is the most congested city in Europe. Local drivers spend 140 hours a year stuck in traffic. This creates huge problems for ambulances. So, 4 organizations took up the cause and presented a project that could help doctors get to patients faster. The bike you see on the screen is equipped with a dual battery and can travel up to 100 miles without recharging. There's a 40-gallon compartment for medications and other items, securely protected from water. The vehicle is also equipped with a 140 decibel siren, flasher, and GPS system. According to the manufacturers, this bike can get to the patient on average twice as fast as a car. This drone, or officially speaking, uncrewed surface vehicle, will help explore the oceans. Thanks to a solar panel system, it can operate for months, transmitting data via a secure connection in real time. The drone weighs just over 220 pounds and has a top speed ranging from 9 to 21 miles per hour, depending on the engine. The hull is designed with changeable weather in mind, so the drone will easily survive even a storm. In particular, there is reinforced protection for the engines. If necessary, remote control is available, and the support of various combinations of equipment helps to study a variety of phenomena, from vertical currents to whale behavior. The sustainable alternative to the electric kettle, believe the creators of this device. They were inspired by a presentation at the 2014 TED Talk. It turned out that people often boil too much water for a single cup of tea. And if you add up all the daily energy costs of excessive boiling, you get enough energy to light all the streetlights in England for a whole night. This device consists of 2 parts, a base and a rod on a stand. To heat the water, just place your cup on the base and lower the rod into it. The key rule is not to use metal containers. Instead, you can heat ceramic, glass, and heat-resistant plastic containers. A 6.5 ounce of water in a glass cup will boil in 1 minute, and 17 ounces in a ceramic pot in 2.5 minutes. An interesting development for basketball fans in general and Dwayne Wade in particular. Even though the basketball player finished his career, he's not finished his attempts to rock the world of footwear. In particular, the Way of Wade 9 Infinity sneakers not only look futuristic, but also include many interesting features, such as the BOA automatic lacing system that perfectly secures the foot in place, Boom midsole for excellent cushioning, and icy sole inserts that improve grip on the field. The sneakers are available in several designs, and the price starts at about $250. Other models are available, and they'll surely interest those who like exclusive products. For example, there's a special collection in honor of Kobe Bryant. To close today's selection, here is a robot developed by LG. It's designed for information support and advertising purposes. It is AI operated and is able to recognize speech. According to the developer's idea, the area of application of the robot is very wide, from hospitals to shopping centers. The robot is able to show ads based on multiple factors, such as location, patrol rooms, or work as a tour guide. For example, in a museum, it will not only show you where a certain exhibit is located, but also tell you about it. The robot weighs 175 pounds. The maximum speed is 3.3 feet per second. Different versions are available too, with a screen, drawers, trays, and other options. At the moment, 12 languages are supported. In the future, the list will be expanded. The battery lasts for 9 hours of continuous operation.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.